Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the register issue in Apex Legends on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Steam menu. Click on Steam, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam Settings panel where you can adjust various configurations that affect how Steam runs on your system. In the Settings window, look at the left panel and click on Downloads. This section contains all the settings related to how Steam downloads and manages your game files. Now scroll down through the options until you find Clear Download Cache. Right beside this option, you'll see a button that says Clear Cache. Go ahead and click on it. This action helps resolve many connection and registration issues by removing temporary files that might be causing conflicts. A confirmation prompt will appear, so click Confirm to proceed. Give it a moment to complete the process. Next, in that same left panel, click on In-Game. This section controls how Steam interacts with your games while you're playing them. Here, look for the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game, and make sure it is toggled on. The Steam overlay is essential for many game features to work properly, including registration and login systems in games like Apex Legends. Now head back to the upper left corner and click on Library. This will take you to your game library where all your installed games are listed. In the left panel where your games are displayed, right-click on Apex Legends. A context menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, select Properties. This opens up the specific settings for Apex Legends. In the Apex Legends Properties window, look for Enable the Steam overlay while in-game and make sure this option is also toggled on. Having the overlay enabled both globally in Steam settings and specifically for Apex Legends ensures that all the necessary features work correctly when you launch the game. Finally, if you currently have Apex Legends running, close the game completely. Once it's closed, relaunch it. These changes should now take effect and the registration issue should be resolved. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.